पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं धर्मं ददाम्यहम् संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानमाहतुं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्।
धन्यवादाः। कोऽपि ध्यानश्लोकान् वदति वा? नो चेत् अहं गापयामि। Anybody ready?
Second song?
I mean ध्यान श्लोका.
Yeah, Dhyana Shloka. ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम् नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे उल्लारविन्दाय प्रपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयप्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयत्रतजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी स्तोतिर्ना खलु पाण्डवैरननदी कैवर्तक केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटं ज्ञानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधना बोधितं लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारत पंकजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं परमानन्दमाधवम्। अतः गीता महात्म्यं गीताशास्त्रमिदं पुण्यं यः पठेत् प्रयतः पुमान् विष्णोर्पदमवाप्नोति भयशोकविवर्जितः। गीताध्ययनशीलस्य प्राणायामपरस्य च नैव सन्ति हि पापानि पूर्वजन्मकृतानि च मलनिर्मोचनं पुंसां जलस्नानां दिने दिने सकृद्गीताम्बसी स्नानं संसारमलनाशनं गीतासु गीता कर्तव्या किमन्ये शास्त्रविस्तरैः या स्वयं पद्मनाभस्य मुखपद्माद्विनिसुतं भारतामृतसर्वस्वं विष्णोर्वक्त्राद्विनिसृतं गीता गङ्गोदकं पीत्वा पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दुग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पातो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् एकं शास्त्रं देवकी पुत्र गीतम् एको देवो देवकी पुत्र एव एको मन्त्रस्तस्य नामानि यानि कर्माप्येकं तस्य देवस्य सेवा अथ ध्यानं शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्कपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तं न विदुसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः।
उत्तमं, धन्यवादः। इदानीं भवती करोतु। धन्यवादः। सर्वे अष्टमं पाठं पठितवन्तः वा? तत्र कस्यचित् वाक्यस्य कस्यचित् शब्दस्य अपि अर्थः न अवगतः चेत् पृच्छन्तु। इफ् यु आर् नाट्, पृच्छतु।
समाप्तं means complete, over.
Samaptam is complete. Yes. Oh.
That word pari, what does it indicate? Parisamaptam.
From all sides. Pari is normally used for from all sides. Okay.
All sides.
So it is finished in all respects, that we can say.
Okay.
I mean, Mahabharata Yuddham Parisamaptam means everything over. I mean, whatever the, mopping operation, I mean, even after the battle is over, still there are some jobs left behind. Mopping up, cleaning this one, tending to the wounded people. I mean, all these things except Bhishma, who is lying on the Sharashaya. That is, this one is not, except that everything is over. So Parisamaptam is finished in all respects.
Okay.
Prachantu. Bhuyishtaha means, anybody? Bhuyishtaha. Okay, now I will share.
Grounded? Is it
No.
grounded?
No. Bhuyishtaha means too much, abundant. Okay. Since you asked this question, I will give you the this one. First, let me start sharing the screen. Okay, now are you able to see this? There is I will give the link for this. Before that, I will give another link. This is called colon. I don't know. This is Sanskrit Lexicon Uni in colon.de. That is the website. This one. There are so many dictionaries here. Okay. Wilson Sanskrit to English Dictionary. Most popular are these green ones. Monier Williams Sanskrit English Dictionary and Aptes Practical Sanskrit English Dictionary. Then again, so many things are there. I mean, it is not that one. Most popular use is this Apte, which I have opened here. So I will show you. I type here Bhuyishtha. Bhuyishtha. Okay. So see, I'll just enlarge the screen. So there are so many meanings. The last one is abundant. Are you able to see the shaded this one? I just now shaded.
Yes, we can see.
Yeah. So abundant.
Abundant.
So I will show you the meaning of that. सर्वः युद्धपरिसरः गजाश्वनरजीवानां मृतशरीरैः भूयिष्ठः आसीत्. युद्धपरिसरः, the battlefield, sarvaha, the entire battlefield, gaja, ashwa, nara and jivanam, the mruta shariraihi bhuyishtaha asit. It was abundant with the dead bodies of all this gaja, ashwa and nara. Okay. So similarly, then one more is there. I mean, while reading, if you come across anything which you don't know, better to go to this website, type that word, find out what is the meaning, and then go ahead. I mean, I will share this link today after the class, which is this one. And second is this website, our famous, yesterday I showed you, ashtadhyayi.com. There Dhatu Patha is there, Sutra Patha is there. Sutra Patha are not for us. Okay. Sutra Patha, but I'll just give introduction. Kinchit Vadami. Why it is taking time? I don't know. अथ अष्टाध्यायी सूत्रपाठः. से पाणिनि महर्षि सर्वं संस्कृत व्याकरणं about 4,000 formulas he composed, devised and structured the entire Sanskrit grammar in that, and he has divided those into 8 chapters. That's why it is called Ashtadhyayi, and these are the formulae there. Okay, you don't know about at this stage. Your this one is not required for that. Just for introduction. Here, each adhyaya is divided into 4 padas. So here the number, suppose you see 1:27. So the first chapter, first part, 27th sutra, Sarvadini Sarvanamani, whatever that means, leave it. I'll go down a little bit. So 5.2.28. So fifth chapter, second part, 28th sutra. So like that. And each pada and each chapter doesn't have equal number of this. It is all random. Okay, it's not that each contains so many sutras and all that. Nothing like that. So the entire Sanskrit Grammar, what exists today, tat sarvam अष्टाध्यायी आधारेण एव रचितम अस्ति, and we all follow that. So Nilesh Mohdaya has compiled this website for the students of higher grammar students, and then he has given other side parts also. So our interesting part is this dhatu patha. Here you type any dhatu that you know, and suppose gama. Okay, I'll type here gum. Then this gum, gamlu, whatever it is, this forget about it. Click on that, and you'll get all the lakaras here. See here, gacchati, gacchata, gacchanti, gacchasi, gacchada, gacchada, gacchami, gacchavaha, gacchamaha. And there, since there are 10 lakaras, don't get bogged down by what are the other things. For us, only 4 lakaras, at the most 5, are important. Concentrate on that and then go ahead. Okay. This is Lang Lakaraha. I'll now slightly reduce this one. And here at the top, dhatu is given. Below that, the meaning in English is given. And then something. And of course, here prayogas are there. How this is used in literature anywhere. Okay. And these are the lakar rupas. Okay. Prabhakar Mahodaya, Hari Om.
हरि ओं महोदय
न भवान् एकवारं पृष्टवान् खलु तद् गणविकरणविषये भवान् ज्ञातुम् इच्छति पाठयामि पाठयामि किम्
महोदय पाठयतु किञ्चित्
अस्तु सो प्रभाकर महोदयस्य अनुमत्या अहं किञ्चित् अन्यत् भागं पाठयितुम् इच्छामि ऐ विल् जस्ट् शेर् द स्क्रीन् ओके धातुगणानां विकरणप्रत्ययः okay as I said there are around 2000 dhatus in Sanskrit mool dhatus okay they had been divided by Panini Maharshi in 10 ganas okay so here is the number of the gana he has not given prathama gana and all that I mean people later after Panini we have started calling first second third and fourth. He gave the names as Bhadi, Adadi, Jyotyadi, and all that. Okay, here I think wrong. Jyotyadi, Divadi. What happens is, at the end of everything, there Adi is there. Adi means the beginning. Okay, so I will show you. We'll go to Dhatu Patha. Okay, so see the first gana starts. The first dhatu is Bhu. So this entire up to some 1,500 and all that are there. Let us see. Look here at the left side, 1,166, 1.1166. Next starts second. So this 1,166, they begin with dhatu called Bhu. So this entire gana of 1,166 is called Bhuadi gana. Bhu Adi. Sandhi becomes Bhuadi. Okay. Then next is Adadi gana. I will take it there. See, after 1166, the last dhatu is Rit. Next is second gana, first dhatu, 2.0001, Adha. Okay, this Adha dhatu is the beginning of second gana. So the second gana is called Adadi gana. Okay, we'll come to third gana later. Then fourth gana is Divadi. I'll show you there. Fourth gana. Look here, 4.001 and 3.0026. In this third gana, there are only 26. Fourth gana starts with Div. So the fourth gana is called Divadi gana. Like that, fifth gana is called Swadi gana. You can go to the website and check. So the first dhatu is Su. Then Tudadi gana, the first dhatu is Tud. Seventh gana is called Rudhadi. First dhatu is Rudha. Eighth gana is called Tanadi gana. So the first dhatu is Tanu. Ninth gana is called Kriyadi gana. because the first dhatu is kri krinati, and the 10th gana is churadi because the first gana is chur. Okay, so this is the place where we Indians have what you say given importance even to the stealing thieves. Okay, so I mean that shows two things. This thieves were existing even in Panini's time, even in prehistorical times, and they have been given importance. Churadiganaha. First dhatu is chur, chorayati, to steal. Hmm? Now come to Jyot. All other these 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ganas are named after the first dhatu. Churadi, Kriyadi, Rudhadi, Adadi, Vadi, and outside. Except the third gana is called Juhotyadi. Okay, we'll go there and find out why it is so. Okay, see here 3.001 who dhatu is who. So in other place where the dhatu is Panchama Ganasya, he has said Swadi. So he could have said Vadi. But he has not used that. We don't know why. Now I'll click on that and show the purpose. See here this who is Juhoti. Okay, the first lat lakarasya parasmai padam lat lakarasya prathama purushasya ekvachanam Jyoti. So that he has used there. Why we don't know. Okay, so he calls it Juhotyadi, but the dhatu is not Juhu, it is just who. Okay, so that is the one. Now the last column here is called Vikarana Pratyaya. What happens is in our the most important lakaras that we are going to study, lat lakar, lot lakar, vidiling lakar, and lang lakar. Between the dhatu and the pratyayas you are knowing, itaha, anti, sitha, tha. I'll show you that also. Okay, 1 minute. I'll increase the size. I don't know, zoom. I should go there. See here, this is the whatever the title you forget about it. Adantangebhya pratyaya, it is none of your business. Lat lakar, parasmai padam, ti taha, anti, si tha, tha, mi, vaha, maha. This is parasmaipadi. Atmanepadi te, ite, ante, se, ithe, dve, e, vahe, mahe. This is for lat lakar. Lot lakar tu, ta, tam, antu, dash, ta, tam, ta, ani, ava, ama. Tam, itam, antam, swa, itham, dhvam, ai, avahai, mahai. This is lot lakar. This is lang lakar. T, tam, an, sa, tam, ta, va, ma, and all this. This is Vidiling lakar. So these four lakaras are more important for us. And one more is there, Lut lakar. That is Bhavishyat. That is very simple. Between this lat lakar and the dhatu, you put sya. Like bhavati, bhavishyati. Gachati, gamishyati. That's all. Very simple. So that is not much of botheration. But now we come to this vikarana. When we apply this pratyayas, okay, so like gama, so we know gama becomes gacha, but become that gacha is, I will type and show you. So or say vad, or your famous, this one is patra. Okay. Arey Baba. Why it is not doing that? Okay, but then we apply the pratyaya ti. So this should become pa ti, correct? But that is not the case. It is pa ti. Becomes full. So oh sorry. So that means in between the dhatu and the pratyaya there is an letter a. So patha plus a plus ti, that becomes patati. Okay. Similarly, the famous dhatu is nrit. If I put just t here, it will become nritti. That is not the case. The thing is nrityati. That means between nrit and ti, we insert some letter called ya. So this between the dhatu and pratyaya, some letter is inserted, that is called vikarana pratyaya. Okay, so here I have shown those vikarana pratyayas for different dhatus. So for bhuadigana, that is prathama gana, vikarana pratyayam is a. For adadi, nothing. No, this one. Okay. For Jyotyadi, again, nothing, but there is something called Dvitvam. I have written here. I will explain that. Then for Divadi, just now I given the example, Ya, Nrityati. Then Swadi, either nu or no. Like Dhatu Chi, Chi Chinoti. Okay. Or Ap Apnoti. Like that. Nu or no sometimes. Then Tudadi is again a. Like Likha, Likhati. Okay, that is a dhatu. This Rudhadi Vikarana is na. There is something special about that. Then Tanadi is u. Tanoti. The Kru dhatu, Karoti or Kurutaha. That is it. Then Kryadi is a na or na somewhere. Na becomes na. Like Krinati, Janati is this one. And finally, Churadi, the Vikarana is aya, like Chorayati and so many. Okay. So the Vikarana is aya. So between the dhatu and the pratyaya, there is something else added there in between, that is called Vikarana pratyaya. And this Rudhadi, I said this na is something special. What happens is, normally that Rudhadigana, Rudha, I said T, and in between you insert this no, but it doesn't happen that way. There is another for this one. It comes in between the dhatu itself. Okay, we'll take any dhatu from Rudhadigan. Okay, which is your familiar dhatu? Bhid. Okay, Bhid, you know everybody. Bhinatti. Okay, so here I just show you. Bhid. Oh, sorry. And this na should come after bhi, bhid, but it doesn't come there. It comes here between bhi and the. And then this sandhi happens, and instead of bhinadati, it becomes bhinati. Okay, this is some special character for this na vikarant for the rudhadigant. Instead of coming between the dhatu and the pratyaya, it gets inserted in the dhatu itself, not after the dhatu. That is a small this one. So this is the this one. Now, I mean, this is just for your introduction, nothing more. I will be sharing this with on the group. You can go to the website, open any dhatu, check whether this is correct or not. And this adadigan, there is no vikarant. We'll see what is the this one. Which is your commonly known dhatu in that? I don't know. Bha. Bha is the or sna simple, very simple dhatu. Sna. Okay. Sna. So normally we say na in the morning, aham snanam karomi. Okay. That is a very weird way of telling without using the dhatu. If you use the dhatu, it is aham snami. Snati is the same pratyaya, sti, taha, anti, si, tha, tha, mi, vaha, maha. And the dhatu is sna. And there is no vikarant. So just add, I mean, there is just simple addition. So snati, snataha, snanti, snasi, snataha, snatha, snami, snavaha, snavaha. Aham snami. Pratak kale pratidinam aham snami. But we don't hear that kind of usage because people think it is weird. Nothing is weird. It is grammatically correct. But we are accustomed to hear aham snanam karomi. That we will come to some other time. Okay. And that same pratyas for lakara, tam, an. So asnat, asnatam, asnan, asnaha, asnatam, asnat, asnam, asnava, asnam. Very simple. Okay. That is the adadigana. Juhotyadigana, I have put, there is no vikarant, but the dvitvam I have said. What is the meaning of the dvitvam? The dhatu doubles itself. Like da. Da dhatu, we will go to website and see. See da. So it is the third gana, do juhotyadi. So there is no vikarant between da and ti, but the dhatu itself becomes dadati. Okay, why I know that right now, don't go into that. Just remember the dhatu doubles itself. Dha, okay, we will check up dha also. In the third gana, see dha, so dadhati. So dha becomes dhadha, then so much process goes on. and finally it comes to dadhati. So that is the one. So for the second and third gana, there is no vikaran, and second gana there is no addition, just simple mathematical addition. In the third gana, Jyotyadi gana, there is a dvitvam. Okay, and this Jyotyadi, for the those who are familiar with Gita, can you tell me the shloka of Jyoti? Hmm? Anybody? Yat karoshi yadashnasi yad johosi dadasi yat. Huh? Yat tapasyasi kaunte yat tat kurushva madarpanam. Are you familiar? Anyway, that jyote dhatu is used there. Hu dhatu. Okay. So much for the vikarana pratyayas. Prabhakar Mohdaya wanted me to tell one of you what is this vikaran pratyayas and all that. So we'll come back to our gahana karmano gatihi.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
धन्यवादः महोदय. चिन्ता मास्तु.
अस्माकं भागे नीलेश महोदयः सः अभिनव पाणिनि नीलेश महोदयः.
सत्यं.
भवान् तस्य साक्षात् शिष्यः.
अहं तु साक्षात् शिष्यः. सत्यं.
अतः वयमपि भाग्यशालिनः सर्वे भवन्तं श्रोतुं. धन्यवादः महोदय.
तत् शेर् करोमि तावदेव.
एकं प्रश्न.
वदतु.
अपाने जुहोति प्राणं, that is also same dhatu.
Same.
अपाने जुहोति प्राणं प्राणापाना तथा परे प्राणापान गति रुद्वा प्राणायाम परायणः.
Satyam. Jyoti is same. See here.
Okay.
No, we'll take that hu dhatu. I'll show you the.
Fine, it's okay. I just wanted to confirm that what I am saying is same. You said some different shloka, so I said some.
See here. Jhomi. You say the shloka again.
Apane juhoti pranam, pranapanam tatha pare, pranapana gati rudva, pranayama parayana.
Okay. Now here see this.
Which number? Shloka number?
Pratama Purush Bahuvachan.
I don't know shloka number. I just said out of mind.
No, very good. I mean, I want that. So Juvati. So Prathama Purush Bahuvachan. So Prathama Purush Juhoti, Juhuta, Juvati. Juhoshi, Juhutha, Juhutha. Juhomi, Juhuvaha, Juhumaha. So Juvati. Now this is hu dhatu, to sacrifice, is the main meaning of this at the top given. So Juvati, te Juvati. Okay. They sacrifice in that, this one. Okay. That is the meaning. Oh, I stopped sharing the screen, is it?
It's okay, I understood.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, 1
You
minute.
can proceed with your class.
Sir, 1 minute. This shloka is Gita chapter 4, 29.
Chapter 429 shloka. Let us see.
Apane jugvati prana.
Same thing. He is told the same thing, na? So again, I'll share the screen. See here. Hu dhatu, Tinganta Rupani, Prathama Purush, Bahuvachan, Juvati. And what Nilesh Mohdaya has done, you click this, you will get the prakriya. How this, as I said, each word in Sanskrit goes through a lot of transformation, right from the dhatu to, there are so many steps, and each step here has got the sutra in Ashtadhyayi. So that is why Sanskrit is well processed. Each word is a well processed word. There is no random something like English. Okay. So we have to justify each step why this particular thing. So that is the thing. Okay, now we'll come back to Ashtamaha Pataha. Gana Karmano Gati. Please read the lesson each and or shall we read at in the class? I don't mind, but we'll be losing the time.
I think at least once, if we read in the class, it will be, I think, good to understand the meaning.
Okay.
At least I have some doubt on the second chapter. Okay.
Okay, we'll come to that after. Let me finish this. Okay. Now I will just read the sentence, tell you the meaning. But if you don't understand the meaning of each and every word, and I mean what I say, meaning means what is the pratipadikam, what is the lingam, what is the vachanam, what is the vibhakti. And if it is lakar, what is the dhatu, what is the lakar, what is the purush and vachanam. And that meaning. If you understand that, I will go ahead. Otherwise, please stop me then and there. Okay. So Mahabharata Yuddham Parisamaptam. Bhishmaha Sharashayyayam Asit. What is the Pratipadikam for Sharashayyayam?
Sharashayya Akaranta Strilinga Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachana.
Strilingam Shabda. Okay. Then Sarvaha Yuddha Parisaraha Gajashva Narajivanam Mruta Shariraihi Bhuyishthaha Asit. We have seen this now. तस्मिन् युद्धे मृतानां शरीराणि दृष्ट्वा चिन्ताकुलः आसीत् युधिष्ठिरः. तस्मिन्, what is the प्रातिपदिकम?
Tat.
Tad, lingam.
Pullingam.
Why pullingam? Because tasmin.
Yuddham Napumsakalingam.
So yuddha napusakalingam. Yuddhe. So
सप्तमी एक वचन
सप्तमी एकवचनम तो सम्यक, परंतु लिंगम नपुसकलिंगम, बिकॉज विशेषण विशेष्य भावाः. Don't forget that. Tasmin yuddhe. So yuddha is napusakalingi shabda. In that battle or in that war, मृतानां शरीराणि दृष्ट्वा चिंताकुलः आसीत् युधिष्ठिरः. मृतानां, what is the प्रातिपदिकम?
Akaranta Strilinga.
Why
Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachana.
No, why Strilinga? Where?
Oh, no, sorry. Akaranta Pullingam.
Pullinga Shabda. No, there may be some Stri warriors also there, lady warriors, but not many. I don't know. I'm not, except Shikhandi.
Pratipadikam is Mrita, right?
Huh?
Akaranto.
Akaranta Shabda, Mrita, dead. Mritanam Sharirani Drishtva. Now Sharirani, what is the lingam? Vibhakti and Pratipadikam.
Shariram. Napumsakalinga.
Vibhakti.
Vibhakti, Pratama Vibhakti, Bahuvachanam.
Here you have made a mistake. Sharirani Drishtva. The reference is to the Dhatu.
Dvitiya Vibhakti,
Dvitiya Vibhakti, okay. In Napusakalinga, that is very peculiar thing. The Prathama and Dvitiya, they are alike. So, depending upon the reference, we have to make out whether it is Prathama or Dvitiya. Okay. So, Mritanam Sharirani Drishtva. After seeing the dead bodies. So, here it is the karma of the Drish Dhatu. After seeing the, what did he see? The dead bodies. So, Chintakulaha Asit Yudhishthiraha. So, Asit, Yudhishthira is what? The Karta of Asit. Yudhishthira was Chintakula, worried. Saha Anujaihi Saha. Now, here the Upapada Vibhakti. Saha will get which Vibhakti? First lesson, Upapada Vibhakti.
Tritiya Vibhakti.
So Anujaihi Saha. So Anuja is
Tritiya
Younger
will
brother.
be Bahuvachanam.
but what is the meaning of Anuj?
Younger brothers.
The younger brothers.
So Anujai Saha. What is the meaning?
Younger brothers.
Along with the brothers. Kindly mute yourself. There are 2-3 people. Okay. Okay. Anujai Sah Bhishma se Sannidhim Gatavan. Sannidhim is Samipam. Okay. Tam Namaskritya Uktavan. Namaskritya. Now what is this Namaskritya?
Lepratyaya.
Lebandam namaskritya.
Levantam. But why Levantam?
Upasargam namaha.
It is not Upasarga. Namaha is not Upasarga.
Oh.
Okay.
Namaskritya. I don't know, sir. Sorry.
There are some words which are used in the sense of Upasarga. Okay. Right now, I'll not give the technical term. Don't want to confuse you. 80% your answer was right. That since it is the Lebanta, why it is Lebanta? Because there is something before the Dhatu. Kru is the Dhatu. Without this one Upasarga or that other word, what will be the word instead of Kritya?
Krutva.
Krutva, Ktvanta, okay, Ktva Pratyay. But when it is preceded by Upasarga or some words which are used in the sense of Upasarga, it is Lya Pratyaya, so Namaskritya. And this is very, common after doing the Namaskar. Tam Namaskritya Uktavan. Uktavan, what is this? Which dhatu, which lakar or whatever it is?
Vada
Huh?
dhadu. Vada.
No, not Vada dhatu. Vach dhatu.
Vach dhadu.
Huh?
Tavan. Lang lagaram. Ekavachanam.
No lang lakar. That is why I said, read this one and each and every word you should dissect. This is Tavatu Pratyaya, which is used in the sense of lang lakar, but it is not a lang lakar. Okay. So
Okay.
Tavatu Pratyaya, Vach dhatu, because of some rule, it becomes Uktava. So I will open that first, this one. Where is that? Okay. See here. Halanta Shabdanam Vibhakti Pratyaya. Okay. So table number 2. So as I said, Uktavat, Vach dhatu, Uktavatu Pratyaya becomes Uktavat. So it will go like Bhagavat. The Bhagavan, Bhagavanto, Bhagavantaha. So Uktavan, Uktavanto, Uktavantaha. That is the one here. Tam Namaskritya Uktavan. He bowed before him and then said. That is the meaning. It is used in the sense of lang lakara, but it is not lang lakara rupam. Okay, it is just ktavatu pratyaya, bhutakala arthe. And since uktavan, there is no karta, no karma. So what is the karta? ask the question kaha uktavan
Yudhishthira.
Yudhishthira. So that is it.
Katha.
I mean, it is what is the context? And here tam namaskritya uktavan. Tam is whom?
Bhishmah.
Bhishma. So here the meaning is Bhishmam namaskritya Yudhishthiraha uktavan. And you take lang lakar, it is a Bhishmam namaskritya Yudhishthiraha avadat. Okay. So, I mean, here Bhagini said vad dhatu. For lang lakar, it is easier to say vad dhatu avadat because it is prathama ganasya. Vach dhatu is in the second gana. There is no, you will get confused. So I am using this one. Both mean the same. Okay. So I mean that is this one. You understand the context. Who said, to whom said, and which is the karta, which is the karma, which is the kriya padam. Okay. Now pitamaha asya sarvasya vinashasya karanam ahameva nanu. Nanu is avyayam, means it becomes isn't it, something like that. Okay. So pitamaha, this is, what is it, pitamaha? What vibhakti? What?
Sambodhana.
Huh?
Sambodhana vibhakti.
Sambodhana vibhakti ekvachanam. Asya sarvasya vinashasya. Here, what is the vibhakti?
Shashti vibhakti.
And what is visheshya? What is visheshanam?
Asya Visheshanam.
Pardon?
Asya Vishesham.
Sarvasya Visheshanam. And vinashasya?
Vinashasya
Visheshanam.
No, vinashasya is vishesham. Vinasha is the visheshya, and idam and sarva is the visheshanam. Both, there are two visheshanas. Vinasha is the visheshya, that is the destruction, and sarvasya, all, and asya, this, and all three in Shashti Vibhakti Pullinga. Asya sarvasya vinashasya. I mean, of all this destruction is the actual word-to-word meaning of in English. Of this entire destruction, asya sarvasya vinashasya karanam is a reason, or the, what do you say? I'm not.
Cause of.
Cause, yes. Okay. Aham eva nanu. Aham eva. I only, na. So that in local language also we say, na. I am this one, na. So that nanu is the sense of that. So bhavataha asyayaha durdashayaha karanam api aham eva khalu. Khalu and nanu mean the same thing. Is just to emphasize. Bhavataha is Bhavan Shabdasya. Bhavat Shabdasya Pullingi Shashti Ekvachan. Of you. Asyayaha Durdashayaha. So what is the Visheshan and what is the Visheshyam?
Visheshyam asyaha Visheshnam durdashayaha.
Yeah, Visheshya is Durdasha, and Asya is the, or rather Iyam is the Visheshanam of Durdasha. Iyam Durdasha, your this Durdasha, Strilingi Shabda. Okay. Asyaha Durdashayaha. What is the Vibhakti? Both should be same.
षष्टि
षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचन.
षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचन both. And अस्याः स्त्रीलिंगी शब्द. Okay. So idam shabdasya strilingi षष्ठी एकवचन अस्यायाः. Of this bad condition. Karanam api ahameva khalu. For that also I am responsible, na. न जानामि अहम कीदृशीं दुर्गतिं प्राप्स्यामि इति. Okay. Now again, कीदृशीं दुर्गतिं विशेषण विशेष्य भाव. दुर्गति and कीदृशी. कीदृशी, I will open that here. Drushanta pratyaya versus drushanta pratyaya in the this one. स्त्रीलिंगी शब्द की सीयर ईदृशी ईदृशौ this one. Where is Strilingam? Strilingam is here. कीदृशी कीदृश्यौ कीदृश्याः, like nadi shabda. Okay. So कीदृशी is what kind of, I mean, is comparing the two. कीदृशीं दुर्दशाम, the durgatim. Prapsyami. What is prapsyami?
Or I get.
That is it, but tell me the grammar.
Future tense. Lutlakara of prapta.
Is there any dhatu called prap? Let us see, check up.
Na apnoti. Apple.
Okay. Apnoti dhatu. Pra upasarga. And lutlakar. Purush vachan.
Uttama Purusha.
Uttama
Purusha ekavachana.
Ekavachana.
Aham prapsyami. I will get, or I will, I mean, acquire. Kidrushim durgatim aham prapsyami. What kind of durgati I will acquire? Tada tam santvayan bhishmaha avadat. Now this santvayan, what is this santvayan? Shatranta, very good. Dhatu. We will try. No, you are already, I mean, 50% of the job you already done. Shatranta. So you remove Shatranta pratyaya, you should get dhatu.
Santva.
Are you able to see the screen? Yes. Okay. So I will type here. Sant. Okay, sorry. Here, Santva. Dashabaganasya dhatu. Churadiganasya. So the vikaran is, I showed now. Last dhatu, see, Churadigana aya dhatu. Okay. So Santvayati, Santvayataha, Santvayanti. Very good. And here you add Shatru pratyaya. So you get Santvayat. And that, as per our this one, At pratyayanta. So Gachat Santvayat. So Gachan Gacchantau Gachantaha. Satvayantan Satvayan Satvayantau Satvayantaha. So what is the meaning of Santvan? Santvayati? Console. So tam Santvayan Bhishmaha avadat. Now tell me the meaning.
Then to Yudhishthira he consoled, and then Bhishma said.
Yeah, very good. Okay. I mean, that is the English, this one. Word to word will be Bhishma consoling Yudhishthira told, like that. Okay. So Santvayan is there. Now here, can you get Visheshya Visheshan Bhavaha, Santvayan Bhishmaha?
Santvayan Visheshana, Bhishma Visheshya.
Viseshyam. Okay. And both are Pullingi, Prathama Ekvachan. Okay. I mean, that should tally. We should not lose the sight of any rule. Right? Okay. So then, while consoling him, Bhishma told, Vatsa asya sarvasya karanam tvam naiva. Asya sarvasya. Again, here Visheshan Visheshya Bhava. And both are this one, Sarvanam. Idam and Sarva. So not necessarily Visheshan Visheshya one will be Nama and other will be Sarvanama, and is not that. Here both are Sarvanam, but one is Visheshya, other is Visheshanam. Asya Sarvasya. All this, Shashti Vibhakti, of all this. Asya Sarvasya Karanam Tvam Naiva. Tvam again, Sarvanam, you. You are not the only this one, I mean, Karana or cause for this. Ime te bandavaha. Ime, ayam, imau, ime. Same thing as eshaha, etau, ete. No change in meaning. Ime, now te bandavaha. What is the meaning of te here? Let me check this Shabda Patha. I will open that. Anybody can tell what is te, ime, te bandavaha? Nobody? There are so many te. Saha taute, sa te taha, tat te tani. Then,
पुल्लिंग शब्द बहुवचन
huh?
पुल्लिंग शब्द
Yushmat Shabda.
बहुवचन प्रथम
Yushmat Shabda.
Huh?
Yushmat Shabda, Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachana.
See, Yushmad, I will type. Yushmad. I don't know whether he has. Okay, very good. Here also te comes. Tubhyam te is Chaturthi and Shashti tavate. And even in the other one, saha taute, sa te taha, tat te tani. Here also tubhyam te tavate. So there are 5 te. Which one to use? Jurisdiction, I mean, decision you use. It should make some sense. Okay. So, ime te bandavaha. Now here the meaning is for this Yushmat Shashti Vibhakti. Yours, these brothers. Okay. Ime is these. The ayam, imau, ime. Eshaha, etavete. So, ete te bandavaha. These your brothers. Swasya swasya purakritasya karmana phalam anubhavanti. So again here there are 4 words. Swasya swasya purakritasya karmana. All are in Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Okay, karma nakaranta karman shabdaha napusakalingi Shashti Ekvachan karmana. You can check up in the table number 1 itself. Okay, karman shabda nakaranta Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachan aha. So karmanaha, that naha becomes naha because of some other rule. Karmanaha becomes karmanaha. So karmanaha, and here now swasya swasya purakritasya karmanaha. What is the visheshyam? Visheshanani. Karman is the visheshyam. Purakritasya and swasya swasya is the visheshanani. Swam is his own. I mean, with this Swadesh, Swadeshi, and all that. So Swa is.
But why 2 times?
Yeah, he emphasized. Apne apne karmo ka.
Okay.
right? And Purakruta is again one word. Pura is earlier, Kruta is done. So Purakruta is done earlier. Whatever was done by them earlier, that Purakruta means that one. Purakrutasya karmanaha. Swasya Purakruta. Yes. Pruchhadu. स्वस्य पुराकृतस्य कर्मणा फलम अनुभवन्ति. That phalam has got anvaya with the karmana phalam, the fruit of the deed. Which deed? Purakruta, done earlier. And by whom? Swasya. So the fruit of the earlier deeds done by them, or their own deeds. Phalam anubhavanti. अनु उपसर्गा भू धातु लट लकार बहुवचन, प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन. अनुभवन्ति इज दे आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग इति. किंतु युधिष्ठिरः समाहितः न अभवत्. व्हाट इज समाहितः?
Here, agree.
He was not consoled.
हाँ, but yeah, agree. No, not consoled. It is something else.
Convinced.
Huh?
Convinced. Convinced.
Convinced. But tell me the grammar. How this word has come? Okay, I'll give you.
Ta pratyayanta hitah.
Hita. But what is the dhatu? Correct. Very good. Half the job is over. What is the dhatu?
Hit.
Hit means there is a he dhatu.
ही धातु सम एवं उपसर्ग समाहितः.
Let us see if there is a he dhatu. Okay, I mean, I know the answer, but for this one, I'll open the dhatu patha. He. There is no he dhatu. Search results. I mean, nothing is there. So the basic thing is dha. This I wanted to make you people understand. Okay. Where is dha dhatu? तृतीय गणस्य द्वितीय गणस्य. अरे भाई हाँ, दुधाई. No. Anyway, for your understanding, dha becomes hit. Okay. There is another addition to your knowledge. Not dha. Dha plus ta is equal to hit. Okay. So here I add sama and a upasarga. Sam a plus dha and ta will be samahita, because dha becomes hita. This sama plus ta will become samahita. And if I use anapratyaya, this is a well-known word. What will be this? Samadhan. Okay. So samahitaha na abhavat means tasya samadhanam na abhavat.
Sir, dha meaning is what?
Huh?
Dha dhatu meaning?
There are so many. We will open that here. Dha. Okay. Dharana poshanayoh, to wear, to obey, to wear, to bear, to support, to nourish, to protect. So many are there.
Okay.
Open the Dharma part and you'll understand. It's not one single meaning. Okay. So here samahitaha means समाहिता न अभवत मीन्स तस्य समाधानम न अभवत, उसका समाधान नहीं हुआ. He did not get convinced. I mean, in the gist, whatever you said is correct, but I'm trying to draw you people to the grammar of it, how this word has formed. Okay, okay. Tam punarapi bodhayan भीष्मः तस्य निदर्शन रूपेण इमां कथां श्रावितवान्. Very good. Tam punarapi. Punarapi is punah api. Again, bodhayan. What is bodhayan?
Shatranta Buddha Dhatu.
But it is not just Buddha. It is, there is another one adding to that, niche. Okay. That means basically
To others, to teach.
to teach. Yeah, teaching. Okay. Buddha is to understand, and
Yes.
bodhayati is to make somebody understand, means teach.
Like Pathati and Pathayati.
Pathayati. Very good. Okay. So patati, pathayati, budhati and bodhayati. So teaching. And then add shatru pratyaya, and that becomes a visheshan of Bhishma. Bodhayan Bhishma tasya nidarshana rupena. Nidarshana is indication. Rupena imam katham shravitavan. Ima is स्त्रीलिंगी. इदम शब्दस्य स्त्रीलिंगी द्वितीय विभक्ति एक वचन. इमाम, this katham, story. Shravitavan. Now what is the meaning of Shravitavan?
Started teaching, I mean, or telling.
Teaching? No.
Not telling, because Shruta Dhatu,
No.
Made him listen. Shravanam is to listen. Made him listen.
So
listen.
Shravitavan is not akathayat. He narrated. No. Avadat. No. Avadat is told or said. Akathayat is narrated. But here it is Shravitavan. What is Shru Dhatu? Shru Shrunoti. We know Shrunoti, Shrunuma, Shrunuma, Shrunomi. Shrunoti, Shrunutaha, Shrunvanti, Shrunosi,
To listen.
Huh?
To listen.
Listen. So, Nijanta roop of that is Shravayati. Shrunoti, Shravayati. Listens and make them listen. And then add Kta Pratyaya. Ktavatu Pratyaya. This is slightly a weird combination, but Shru Dhatu add niche, that is make somebody to do that. Shravayati, like Gayati and Gapayati, one who sings and one who makes some other person to sing or directs. Like Dadati and Dapayati. Dadati is to give, Dapayati is to make somebody give, influence. So here Shrunoti Shravayati is make them listen. Means he's telling them, he made them listen. In English it doesn't make any sense. In simple English it is told. But in Sanskrit the word to word meaning is he made them listen. Okay. What? Imam Katham. This story he made them listen. I mean, it is a weird combination in there's no equivalent in English. Okay. He did Saha na shruta Swayam na shrutavan. He did not listen. The others, the Pandavas listened. So Pandavas shrutavantaha and Bhishma shravitavan. Okay. And now the story starts. पुरा गौतमी नाम काचित् तपस्विनी महिला आसीत्. There was a tapaswini called Gautami. तस्याः अतिप्रियः एकः एव पुत्रः. तस्याः तद शब्द सर्वनाम स्त्रीलिंगी षष्ठी एकवचन तस्याः. कदाचित् कश्चन सर्पः तं पुत्रम् अदशत्. कश्चन chit and chit chana pratyas, I think that may be next after some time, but here I'll just kadachit, sometimes, kaschana, someone, sarpaha, tam putram adashat. Tam and putram visheshya vishan bhava. Adashat is, now can you tell me by looking at it, very simple, what is adashat?
Bit.
लंग लकार लंग लकार
Lang lakara dhatu.
Dash dhatu. Dansh.
Very good. And purush vachan.
एकवचन प्रथम पुरुष.
Let's check up. I will check on the dhatu part. Dasha. If there is no dhatu dasha, that means there is something wrong. Damsha is the dhatu.
Damsh.
Okay. Damsha dashane. See here. Though the dhatu is damsha, there is no anuswara after that. So go to lang lakar. Adashat. See here. Okay. Adashat, adashatam, adashan. Okay. So sarpa, I mean, because you're, I mean, you know some background, so you're immediately telling bit. The snake bit the boy. Yes, but I don't want that. That is your understanding. I want you to learn each and every word, how that word has come. What is the root? So damsha is the root. Langlakar, prathama purush, ekvachan, adashat. Tena saha balaha achetanaha jataha. Okay. Tena means the damshena, the biting of that, because of that. Tena. Saha balaha achetanaha jata. Achetanaha is what is this? Fainted. Achetana.
Lifeless.
Lifeless. Yes, not lifeless. He did not die. He was just, what is it, like anesthesia.
Unconscious.
Unconscious. Yes, I was not getting the word. Very good. Unconscious become. Arjuna kaha nama vyada. No, here I think he did not get up after that. So we can take it Achana dead, no problem. So Arjuna kaha nama vyadaha एतद् दृष्ट्वा झटिति स्नायुपाशेन तं बद्ध्वा गौतम्याः समीपम् आनीतवान्. Very long sentence. Carefully each and every word understand. Arjunakah naam vyadaha. Okay. So the vyada is a hunter by name Arjunakah. Etad drishtva. Etad means now etad sarvanam, but here dvitiya vibhakti ekvachan napusakalinga shabda. All this, I mean the happening, again napusakalinga, all this happening, drishtva, after seeing, jhatiti. Jhatiti is avyam, means immediately. Snayu pashena. What is snayu?
Muscle.
Huh? Yeah,
Muscle.
muscle is okay, but did he catch him by muscle? That is the thing. So I again go back to my Aptes dictionary and open the word snayu. See, I'll reduce the magnification. Okay. One is, he says, a tendon, muscle, sinew, and all that. The second meaning is a string of a bow. Okay. So he had that hunter has the bow in his hand. So with the rope of that, the string of the bow, the snayu pashena, tam sarpam badhva. Now badhva, what is this badhva?
बध्नाति त प्रत्यय
Huh?
त्वा प्रत्यय त्वा
त्वा त्वा त्वा त्वा
Very good, very good. Okay, badhnati, the bad dhatu, it is in that kriya adigana. Na is this one, and badhnati. So after tying with the help of that string of the bow, snayu pashena tam sarpam badhva गौतम्याः समीपम आनीतवान. गौतम्याः समीपम, गौतम्याः षष्ठी एकवचन, that mother, samipam anitwan, or brought him. And anitwan, can somebody tell the grammar?
हाँ
नी
तवतु
धातु
प्रत्यय नी धातु
नी धातु
A upasarga ni dhatu,
उपसर्ग
and pratyaya
तवतु
tavatu.
तवतु प्रत्यय
So it becomes anitavat is this one,
अनितवत् अनितवान् प्रथमा एकवचनम्
and prathama ekvachana like bhagavat, so bhagavan, bhagavanto, anitavan, anitavanto, and all that. So brought him, but it is not lang lakar. It is used in the sense of lang lakar. Uktavancha, same thing like anitavan, and said matah. Matah, what is matah?
मातृ संबोधन मातः हे मातः
हे मातः. Okay, संबोधने मातृ शब्द, रुकारांत शब्द. अयम दुष्ट सर्पः तव पुत्रम अमारयत. अयम दुष्ट सर्पः, again here विशेषण विशेष भाव, अयम and दुष्ट सर्पः. This दुष्ट सर्पः तव पुत्रम अमारयत. तव युष्मत् शब्द से षष्ठी एकवचन, तव पुत्रम अमारयत, he killed your son. किम अहम एतम अग्नौ क्षिपानि. Okay, kim is, he is asking, shall I, or something like हम एतम is एषः एतौ एते एतम एतौ एतान. So द्वितीय विभक्ति एकवचन, this, इसको. अग्नौ क्षिपानि, अग्नौ अग्नि शब्द सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचन, अग्नौ, in the fire. क्षिपानि, what is क्षिपानि?
क्षिप्
उत्तम
धातु
पुरुष लट लकार लंग लंग लोट लकार उत्तम पुरुष
हाँ,
क्षिप
क्षिपानि, लोट लकारा, very good. And
उत्तम पुरुष एकवचन
very good. Okay, and what is the meaning? Kship,
थ्रो
throw.
it in the
Okay, now here lot lakar is used in the sense of permission, or
आज्ञार्थे
uttama purush. When you use uttama purush in lot lakar, it is not order. How can you order yourself? It is a kind of permission. Okay, or asking what shall I do, or shall I do this. So aham kshipani kim, aham etam agnau kshipani kim uta. What is the meaning of uta?
एंड
No, or, or. Okay, or. Khandashah karvani. Karvani again kru dhatu, lot lakar, parasmay padi, uttama purush ekvan. Shall I do? Khandashah means by pieces.
break
Shall I
into
cut it
pieces
into pieces? Athava vada. Vada means vada dhatu, लोट लकार, मध्यम पुरुष, एक वचन, वद. Okay. You tell. अन्येन केन प्रकारेण एनं दण्डयामि. एनं दण्डयामि. Again, danda is that the churadiganasya dhatu, and lot lakar uttama purush ekvachan, dandayani. How shall I punish him? Kena anyena kena prakarena, in what another way? Okay, all these three are visheshan vishesha. I mean, prakara is the vishesha, anya kim is the visheshanam. Anyena kena prakarena enam dandayami. Enam again, eshaha eto ete etam eto etam. In what another way shall I punish him? Tada Gautami avadat, हे सौम्य, त्यज इमं सर्पम. त्यज, त्यज धातु, लोट लकार, उत्तम पुरुष, सॉरी मध्यम पुरुष, एक वचन, त्यज, लीव. इमं सर्पम, इमं इदम शब्दस्य पुल्लिंगी, द्वितीय एक वचन, इमं, अयम, इमौ, इमे, इमं, इमौ, इमान, like that. Imam sarpam tyaja, leave this snake. Yataha, what is the meaning of yataha? Sambhashan shivire.
Because
Yes. Okay.
when he says hey Soumya, what does it mean? Hey friend.
What is his name? Let me see. Arjuna Khan. No,
Arjuna
Saumya
Kaha.
is, yeah, here, let us see. What is Saumya? Okay. We'll check up here if it is there. Otherwise, we will draw our own meaning.
It can be sun also.
No. Relating to sacred to moon. No. Having so much handsome. Oh, this is the meaning. Handsome. See here. I mean, I don't know. I have found out from the dictionary. So Saumya means handsome or gentle.
I think it is the fourth one.
Huh?
Gentle good man.
Which is the one? Auspicious, brilliant.
Good sir, gentle sir, it is written there.
Good man also given there.
Good man.
Something like that. Okay. I mean, good man, good sir. Okay. Gentle sir. You take whichever you want. So, hey Saumya, tyaja imam sarpam. Leave this sarpa. Yatah, because asmin sarpe marite api. Now here, this is something totally different from Visheshan Vishesha. There is Visheshan Vishesha Bhava, but slightly.
No, Sati Saptami comes here. Sati Saptami.
Sati Saptami comes here. Very good. Okay. Asmin Sarpe. Okay, we will take only two. Sarpe Marite. After this Sarpa is killed. That is the meaning. Okay. Sati Saptami. After I finish this, if somebody doesn't know what is Sati Saptami, I will explain. Okay, but just listen for that. अस्मिन् सर्पे मारिते अपि मृतः मम पुत्रः जीवितः न भविष्यति. That fellow who is the boy who is killed, he will not become, I mean, he will not get life again. किंतु व्याधः तत् अनङ्गीकुर्वन् पुनः पुनः सर्पं मारयितुं तस्य अनुमतिम् अयाचत. Now, long sentence. Be careful. Anangi kurvan. Three words are there. An, anga, and kurvan. Okay. Kurvan is kru dhatu, shatru pratyaya, prathama vibhakti. Kurvan, kurvantau, kurvantaha. Okay. And angi kurvan is accept. Okay. Angi karoti means to accept something. And anangi kurvan, not accepting. Okay. Tat anangi kurvan, he did not accept that. Punah punah sarpam maraitum, again and again, sarpam maraitum, tumun pratyaya, to kill. Tasyaha anumatim ayachata, tasyaha hers Anumatim, permission. Ayach, and anumatim is dvitiya vibhakti, ekvachan. Ayachata, याच धातु आत्मनेपदी अस्ति, अतः प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन अयाच, लंग लकार, अयाचत, begged again and again to her to kill that fellow. I mean, his permission. He begged the permission again and again to kill without, I mean, by not accepting her proposal. I mean, not proposal, that sentence. Even if you kill this, that fellow will not get up. So why to kill? He didn't accept. Gautami to tasmai anumatim na adadat. Okay. Now here 2-3 things. Adadat is da dhatu, prathama purush, ekvachan, lang lakar. Again, same thing. Go to the website and find out whether it is correct. It should be correct. Anumatim na adadat. Anumatim is dvitiya vibhakti ekvachan. Permission. Did not give the permission. Tasmai. Now here I draw your attention. Whenever da dhatu is used, you are giving something or not giving, but the person who is supposed to take that, it should be chaturthi vibhakti. Okay, Gita Sopan Prathama Bhaga. So tasmai anumatim na adadat. To him, did not give the permission. Gautami to, but Gautami did not give the permission to him to do that. Gautami vyadayoho sambhashanam shrutva saha sarpaha manushya bhashaya avadat. Gautami vyadayoho, what is this?
Shashti Divachana.
Shashti Dvivachana, but why Gautami Vyada? What is Gautami Vyada? Anyway, I think you people are not learned Samasa. So this is Dvandva Samas, like Rama Lakshmana. So Gautami Vyada, it is Dvandva Samas. And since there are two people, Shashti Ekvachan is Gautami Vyadayoho. Sambhashanam Shrutva Saha Sarpaha Manushya Bhashaya Avadat. So he started speaking in human language. He Arjunaka, aham balam adasham. Adasham is like damsha dhatu, langlakar, uttama purush, ekvachan. Aham adasham, I bit. Balam to the boy. Yat, because again yat. Yat is which, okay. Yat tatra mama kopi na dosha. Okay. I mean, this is in the reference. What I bit this boy, there is no fault on my part. Okay. Hey Arjunaka, aham balam adasham yat, that this one bit the boy. Tatra mama kopi dosha na. There is no dosha from my side. Mrityoho balat eva maya idam karyam kritam. Mrityoho balat. Mrityoho. What is this mrityoho? Yeah, Shashti Vibhakti. What is the Pratipadikam?
Mrityu.
You.
Ukarant.
Like Guru.
Guru.
So in the grammar it is okay, but don't say Mrityu is like Guru. So Mrityoho balat. Balat.
Panchami. Balat. Balam. Balat.
So Mrityoho balat. Evam maya idam karyam kritam. Maya asmat shabdasya tritiya ekvachan. Maya, by me. Idam karyam kritam. This job was done by me because of the power of Mrityu. Tada Vyadha avadat. Then Vyadha said, Tathapi asya balasya dashanam tu tvaya eva kritam. Asya, of this balasya dashanam, again that damsh dhatu and an pratyaya dashanam, biting. Tvaya eva kritam, tvaya yushmat sabdasya tritiya vibhakti ekvajan, tvaya, by you. It was done by you only, na? This biting. So why are you running away from that? Ataha tvam vadhyaha eva. Tvam vadhyaha. Vadhyaha is again krudanta shabda. Actually, there is no dhatu called vadha. Some people say it is there, some say it is not there. Original dhatu is hana, and you add some ya pratyaya and change hana to vadha. But for our purpose, we will take vadha as a dhatu. Vadhyaha, like ya pratyaya, kru dhatu, krutya, or no, karya. Kru karya means worth doing. So vadhyaha is worth. You are worth killing, being killed. So I mean, in simple English, you should be killed. Ataha is therefore from vadhyaha eva, you should be killed because of that. Sarpaha avadat aham mrityoh preranaya eva asya balasya hanane karta abhavam. Okay. मृत्योः प्रेरणया, प्रेरणा शब्द आकारांत स्त्रीलिंगी. The what do you say, what is prerana in English?
Motivation.
Motivation. Okay. Mrityoh prerana, because of the motivation by mrityu, asya balasya hanane karta abhavam. Abhavam bhudhatu langlakar uttama purush ekvachan, I became. Karta in what? Hanane, in the killing of this asya balas, of this boy. Vastakavekam karanam to mrityuhu eva. So the real reason is mrityu itself, himself. Tada mrityuhu eva tatra upasthitaha abhavat. Upasthita is present. Abhavat, he became present means he came there. Who? Mrityu. Saha avadat, he said, He Sarpa, naham atra karanam. Natra aham, na atra aham karanam. Here I am not the cause again. Navatvam, or you also not there. Kalaha asya atra karanam. Kalaha, I mean the time. His time was bad. Ataha tena preritaha aham tvam preritavan. So here, preritaha and preritavan. So preritaha is ta pratyanta, preritavan is ktavatu pratyanta. So tena preritaha aham, motivated by him, aham tvam preritavan, I motivated you. यथा वायुः आकाशे स्थितान् मेघान् आकर्षति विकर्षति च तद्वदेव कालः अपि अस्मान् सर्वान् आकर्षति विकर्षति च. Akarshati, vikarshati is to attract, I mean, and repel. In the sense, move here and there. That is a simple thing. So, Vayuhu akashe sthitan meghan. Meghan, Ditya Vibhakti Bahuvachan. Sthitan, its Visheshanam. Akashe sthitan. So, the clouds which are staying in the sky, to them, Vayu akarshati vikarshati. The wind moves them here and there. Tadvadeva. Tadvad is in the same way. Tadvadeva. Kalaha api asman sarvan akarshati vikarshati. Kala, the time also. Asman sarvan, to us all. Akarshati vikarshati. He moves us here and there. Tenaiva kalena jagat idam srujyate sanriyate va. So tenaiva kalena, because of that kalaha eva, Jagat idam jagat, this world. Srujyate sanriyate va. Srujyate sruj dhatu in the karmani. We will come to that later. Srujyate gets created. Sanriyate to get destroyed. Evam sati, again here sati saptami, evam sati. So this being the case, yadi atra doshaha syat, if there is any fault, tarhi sah kalasya iva natu mama. So the fault lies with the kala, time, not me. Natu mama. Tat shrutva kalaha eva tatra upasthitaha bhavat. So kalaha also came there. Saha avadat he vyadha तस्य बालस्य मरणे न अयम पन्नगः न एषः मृत्युः न वा अहम कारणीभूतः कारणं तु अनेन कृतं कर्म एव. Now here तस्य बालस्य मरणे, in the in the death of that boy, na ayam pannagah. Pannagah is again sarpa, okay, not this snake. Na eshaha mrityu, not the death. Eshaha is the this. Nava aham karani bhutaha. Nava aham, and not in a neither nor, that kind of thing. Neither this snake, nor this mrityu death, nor I. Karani bhutaha. So all the three he is using the Bahuvachan. Karani bhutaha. We are the causes of that. Karanam tu anena kritam karma eva. Anena, again see the next page here, 51. Tritiya vibhakti ekvachan idam shabdasya. Anena, by him, by this boy. Kritam karma eva. That is the reason. The reason is, or the cause of this his death is the karma did by him earlier, or whatever it is. Anena kritam karma eva. Now the shloka is Yadanena kritam karma tenayam nidhanam gataha vinasha hetu karmasya sarve karma vashavayam. Now here I will break the sandhi. Yat anena kritam karma. Yat means because, or which one? Yad ye yani, yad ye yani. Yad anena kritam karma tena ayam nidhanam gata. Tena ayam, ayam is again same, ayam imau ime. This boy, nidhanam gataha, went to death. Vinasha hetu karma asya. Asya karma vinasha hetu. Hetu is again cause. The cause of the destruction is asya karma, his deed. Sarve, vayam sarve karma vashaha. We all are under the influence of karma. Karma vashaha. छाया तपो इव कर्म कर्ता नित्य संबंध भवतः. Chaya and atapa. Atapa is the sun. What you stand in the sun, no? That is atapa. Chaya, atapa. They are complementary to each other. Without tapa, atapa, there is no chaya. So like without karta and karma, there is no this one. So they are interrelated. Karta, karma, karta cha nitya sambandhau bhavatah. Nitya sambandhau, whose sambandha is nitya. Nitya sambandha yayoho tau. Okay, they are interrelated basically. Iti. Evam sarvam etat shrutva Gautami avadat. So after hearing all this, Gautami said, Mama putrasya marana karanam eshu na kopi asti. Eshu, look here, opposite page, Saptami Bahuvachan, eshu. In this, in these. Okay. Eshu kopi na kopi asti. There is no, in all this, there is no nothing which is the cause of this. Mama putraha स्वीयकर्मणां फलेन मृत्युं प्राप्तवान् अस्ति. Okay. So my son स्वीयकर्मणां फलेन कर्मणां द्वितीय षष्ठी विभक्ति बहुवचन स्वीयकर्मणां, so his own deeds of them, the falena, because of the fruit of that, mrityum praptavan, so he died because of the reason. Mamapi tadrusha karma eva syat, again syat is vidiling lakar of as dhatu, prathama purush ekvachan, might have been. Okay. Mamapi tadrusha karmam eva syat, mine also maybe like that might have been done by me, something like that. येन एतस्य मृत्युः अभवत् समभवत्, येन because of which एतस्य मृत्युः समभवत्, I mean सम अभवत्. अतः कालः मृत्युः च स्वस्थानं गच्छताम्, कालः मृत्युः च स्वस्थानं गच्छताम्. Now can you tell गच्छताम्, what is गच्छताम्?
सतीश महोदय,
वदतु महोदय.
अद्य समापयामः वा? 10 निमेषेभ्यः अस्ति. आदित्यहृदय स्तोत्रम् उच्चारणं करणीयं.
करोमि, किञ्चित् शीघ्रं समापयामि, चिन्ता मास्तु.
न इदानीमेव कक्षायाम् अहं प्रार्थयामि, कोऽपि पठति वा आदित्यहृदय स्तोत्रम्?
Just give it 2 minutes, I'll finish this thing.
अस्तु महोदय, धन्यवाद.
अस्तु. So गच्छताम् इति किमस्ति?
लोट् लकार.
वचन
लकार प्रथमपुरुष.
सत्यं.
द्विवचन.
प्रथमपुरुष द्विवचन. गम धातु लोट लकार प्रथमपुरुष द्विवचन. Please go, that is the thing. गच्छताम्. Where is it? स्वमपि सर्पम एव परित्यज. Okay, सर्पम एतम परित्यज is again lot lakar madhyam purush ekvachan. You also leave this sarpana. Etam katham shravetva bhishmah akathayat. So all after telling all this story, now I already told you what is the difference between shravayati, kathayati and shrunoti. So all after telling all this, Rajan, Bhishma said, Rajan sarve api swakarmanam phalam prapnuvanti iti jnanena Gautamyaha shokaha parisamaptaha. So by all this, she became composed. Atrapi tathaiva. So here also same thing. Tvaya duryodhanena va kimapi na aparadham. You and Duryodhana have not, did something wrong. Sarvepi ime swakarmana phalam anubhavanti. All these are experiencing this, their own, the fruits of their own karmas. Ahamapi anubhavami. I am also experiencing the same by my own, deeds. Sarve karmavashaha vayam. We are all bound by the karmas. Ataha shokam ma kuru iti. Okay. So don't do shoka. Bhishmasya vachanaihi Yudhishthira samahita abhavat. Okay, Bhishmasya vachanaihi, because of the Bhishma's vachana, Yudhishthira got samadhanam. Astu tari samapayama va. Mahodaya, Anup Mahodaya.
महोदय वदतु.
किं वक्तव्यं? शान्तिमन्त्रं खलु?
शान्तिमन्त्रं वदतु. तदनन्तरं कोऽपि प्रयत्नं करोति चेत् आदित्यहृदयस्तोत्रम् एकवारं पठति वा इति अहं पृच्छामि.
अस्तु,
अहं पठामि, कोऽपि नास्ति चेत्.
अस्तु महोदय, शान्तिमन्त्रं वदतु अनन्तरं.
अस्तु.
परन्तु अद्य आदित्यहृदयस्य विशेषं किम् इति किमर्थम् इति
अनन्तरं वदामि।
अस्तु अस्तु
अस्तु
So, शान्तिमन्त्रं वद। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अस्तु महोदय, वदतु।
अस्तु अद्य गणे अन्य कोऽपि वक्तुं समर्थः वा इति पृच्छामः। कोऽपि नास्ति चेत् अहं पठामि। पृच्छतु एकवारं। Can anyone chant this Aditya Hrudayam sloka in the group? Anyone ready here?
सर्वे
महोदय अहं पठामि।
पठतु, उत्तमं पठतु तर्हि। ओम भास्कराय नमः। आरम्भं करो।
ततो युद्धपरिश्रान्तं समरे चिन्तया स्थितं रावणं चाग्रदो दृष्ट्वा युद्धाय समुपस्थितं देवदश्च समागम्य द्रष्टुमभ्यागतोरणम् उपागम्य ब्रवीद् रामम् अगस्त्यो भगवान् ऋषिः राम राम महाबाहो शृणु गुह्यं सनातनं येन सर्वानरीन् वत्स समरे विजयिष्यसि आदित्यहृदयं पुण्यं सर्वशत्रुविनाशनं जयावहं जपे नित्यम् अक्षय्यं परमं शिवं सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्यं सर्वपापप्रणाशनं चिन्ताशोकप्रशमनम् आयुर्वर्धनमुत्तमं रश्मिमन्तं समुद्यन्तं देवासुरनमस्कृतं पूजयस्व विवस्वन्तं भास्करं भुवनेश्वरम् सर्वदेवात्मको ह्येष तेजस्वी रश्मिभावनः एष देवासुरगणान् लोकान् पातिगभस्तिभिः एष ब्रह्मा च विष्णुश्च शिवस्कन्दप्रजापतिः महेन्द्रो धनदकालो यमः सोमो ह्यपाम्पतिः पितरो वसवः स्वाध्या ह्यश्विनौ मरुतो मनुः वायुर्वह्नि प्रजा प्राण ऋतुकर्ता प्रभाकरः आदित्यः सविता सूर्य खगपूष खभस्तिमान् भानुर्हिरण्यरेता दिवाकरः हरिदश्व सहस्रार्चिर्सप्तिर्मरीचिमान् तिमिरोन्मथनः शम्भुस्त्वष्टा मार्ताण्ड अंशुमान् शिशिरस्तपनो भास्करो रविः अग्निगर्भोऽतिदे पुत्रः शङ्खः शिशिरनाशनः व्योमनावस्तमोभेदि रुद्यजुस्सामपारगः घनवृष्टिरपां मित्रो विन्ध्यविधिप्लवङ्गमः आतपीमण्डली मृत्युः पिङ्गलः सर्वतापनः कविर्विश्वो महातेज भवोद्भवः नक्षत्रग्रहताराणाम् अधिपो विश्वभावनः तेजसामपि तेजस्वी द्वादशात्मन् नमोऽस्तु ते पश्चिमाय द्रये नमः गणानां पतये दिनाधिपतये नमः जय भद्राय हर्यश्वाय नमो नमः नमो नमः सहस्रांश आदित्याय नमो नमः नम उग्राय वीराय सारंगाय नमो नमः नम पद्मप्रबोधाय मार्ताण्डाय नमो नमः ब्रह्मेशानच्युदेशाय सूर्याय आदित्यवर्चसे भास्वते सर्वरक्षाय रौद्राय वपुषे नमः तमोघ्नाय हिमघ्नाय शत्रुघ्नायामितात्मने कृतघ्नघ्नाय देवाय ज्योतिषां पतये नमः तमकामिकराभाय वन्नये विश्वकर्मणे नमस्तमोभिनिघ्नाय रुचये लोकसाक्षिणे ऋषवैभूतं तदैव सृजति प्रभु वेश्यतवत्येष वर्षत्येष खगस्तिभिः एष सुप्तेषु जागर्ति भूतेषु परिनिष्ठितः एष एवाग्निहोत्रं च फलं चैवाग्निहोत्रिणां देवाश्च क्रतवश्चैव क्रतूनां फलमेव च यानि कृत्यानि लोकेषु सर्व एष रविप्रभुः येनमापत्सु कृच्छ्रेषु कान्तारेषु भयेषु च कीर्तयन् पुरुषर्कश्चिन्नावसीदति राघव पूजयस्वैनमेकाग्रो देवदेवं जगत्पतिम् एतत्त्रिगुणितं जप्त्वा युद्धेषु विजयिष्यसि महाबाहो रावणं त्वं वधिष्यसि एवमुक्त्वा तदागस्त्यो जगाम च यथागतम् एतत् श्रुत्वा महातेज नष्टशोभोद्भवत्तदा धारयामास सुप्रीतो राघव प्रेतात्मवान् आदित्यं प्रेक्ष्य जप्त्वा तु परं हर्षमवाप्तवान् त्रिराचम्यस्य जग्भूत्वा धनुरादायवान् रावणं प्रेक्ष्य हृष्टार्थाय समुपागत सर्वयत्नेन महदावधे तस्य कृतोऽभवत्। अथ रविर्वदन् निरीक्ष्य रामं मुदितमना परमं प्रहर्ष्यमाणः संशयं विदित्वा सुरगणमध्यगतो वजस्त्वरेति।
हरि ओम्। अतः इत्याशे श्रीमद् रामायणे कुतः अस्ति इति अन्ते इत्याशे श्रीमद् रामायणे वाल्मीकिये आदिकाव्ये युद्धकाण्डे सप्तशततमः सर्गः कृष्णार्पणमस्तु इति। अस्तु हरि ओम् महोदय। धन्यवादः
महोदय। अद्य
कः विशेषः?
नक्षत्र ग्रहाणां स्थिति विशिष्टा सन्ति। श्रीराम जन्म एतद् स्थिते एव अभवत् इति एक सन्देशं प्राप्तवान् अहम्। अद्य आदित्यहृदयस्तोत्रं पारायणं करणीयम् इति ज्योतिष उक्तवान्।
Agree with Anup Mahodaya, correct? Yes.
अस्तु।
अस्तु, धन्यवाद सर्वेभ्यः।
Sir, hello, sir, I am Narayan speaking.